Hi everyone. Today's December 15th, 2022. This is Solitude Chatter and I'm Ian Riddell. All right, hey, what a week we've had. The snow's kept coming at us. We've picked up 34 inches since we talked to you last week. And that brings us up to 174 inches year to date. We have picked up a couple more inches throughout the day today. So for terrain, we've been able to work on the Honeycomb Canyon the last couple days. The Honeycomb Canyon is currently open. The Solbright is currently open. We've been opening up a little bit of new terrain in the Honeycomb Canyon. We anticipate opening the Navarone Gate here in the next, well, shortly, either today or tomorrow. And we'll see how that terrain goes. The Milk Run's been open the last few days. We still have a couple areas that aren't open on the mountain. Evergreen Peak and Fantasy Ridge are the two main areas that we haven't opened. So we'll see what Mother Nature has in store for us as the rest of December continues for us. All right, so the next few days for weather, we're expecting this snow to dry up. We're expecting high pressure. It's going to stay cold. We're expecting temperatures in the single digits at night and teens to 20s in the day. So that should preserve this this great powder that we have currently. Boy, that's about it. So sun's coming out. We'll see you up here on the slopes. And don't forget that tomorrow is the beginning of our early starts. We're going to have Apex, Moonbeam, link lifts open tomorrow at 8 a.m. and as well as some uphill traffic at the end of the day, starting at 4:30 in the afternoon. All right, we'll see you on the slopes.